Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of sustainable living. We all know the feeling, that rush of excitement when you bring home a bounty of fresh produce from the farmer's market or your own garden. But then comes the pressure of using it all before it goes bad. It can be quite stressful, right? That's where the magic of a root cellar comes in. It's a game changer for anyone who loves fresh produce. For generations, folks have been using root cellars to keep their harvests fresh for months. It's a tried and true method that has stood the test of time. These underground wonders act like nature's refrigerator, providing the perfect cool, dark, and humid environment that fruits and vegetables crave. It's like having a natural preservation system right at your fingertips. Imagine enjoying your homegrown carrots well into winter, crisp and fresh as the day they were harvested, or savoring the sweetness of those juicy tomatoes long after the summer sun has faded. It's like extending the seasons. Now you might be thinking a root cellar sounds like something straight out of the pioneer days. And you're right, it does have that old world charm. But guess what? It's easier than you think to bring this bit of old world charm to your modern life. With a little effort, you can create your own root cellar. Whether you've got a sprawling backyard with plenty of space or just a cozy corner in your basement, there's a root cellar solution for you. It's all about making the most of the space you have. So, are you ready to unlock the secret to longer-lasting, fresher food? Let's dive in and explore how you can build your very own root cellar. Stay tuned.
First things first, we need to find the perfect spot for your root cellar haven. Don't worry, we've got options for both indoor and outdoor spaces. If you're lucky enough to have some land, an outdoor root cellar is like having a secret garden underground. Look for a spot with good drainage, maybe a gentle slope, to prevent water from pooling inside. A north-facing slope is ideal because it stays naturally cooler throughout the year. Short on outdoor space? No problem. An unused corner of your basement or crawl space can easily transform into a cozy root cellar. Just make sure it's well ventilated and away from any heat sources like furnaces or water heaters. Remember, the key is to find a cool, dark, and slightly humid spot. Think of it as a spa retreat for your veggies. They deserve it.
Now comes the fun part, gathering your supplies. This is where your creativity and resourcefulness come into play. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner, collecting the right materials is crucial for a successful project. Building a root cellar is like putting together a puzzle, satisfying and rewarding. Each piece has its place, and when everything comes together, the result is incredibly fulfilling. It's a blend of art and science, where your efforts will pay off in the long run. Here's what you'll need for both indoor and outdoor cellars. A comprehensive list of tools and materials. From basic hand tools to specific construction materials, having everything on hand will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Concrete blocks are sturdy and great for underground structures. They provide the necessary strength and durability to withstand the elements and keep your produce safe. For indoor cellars, pressure-treated lumber will do the trick. It's resistant to moisture and decay, making it an ideal choice for a long-lasting structure. And don't forget gravel for drainage. Proper drainage is essential to prevent water accumulation, which can damage your cellar and spoil your produce. We need to keep those veggies safe and sound. A well-constructed roof ensures that your cellar remains dry and secure, protecting your harvest from the elements. For outdoor cellars, consider a sturdy roof with a hatch for access. This allows for easy entry and exit while keeping the interior protected from weather conditions. Indoor cellars can be covered with plywood or even heavy-duty plastic sheeting. These materials provide a solid barrier against moisture and pests, ensuring your produce stays fresh. Proper airflow is key. Good ventilation prevents mold and mildew, keeping the air inside your cellar fresh and your produce in optimal condition. We need to let those fruits and veggies breathe. Adequate ventilation helps maintain the right humidity levels, which is crucial for preserving the quality of your harvest. PVC pipes with screens on each end work wonders for ventilation. They allow air to circulate while keeping out unwanted pests and debris. Think rustic charm. Adding wooden shelves not only provides practical storage, but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your cellar. Wooden shelves are perfect for storing your harvest and adding a touch of farmhouse character. They are sturdy, functional, and visually pleasing. These handy tools help you keep tabs on the temperature and humidity levels, ensuring that your root cellar remains an ideal environment for your produce. Ensuring your root cellar is the perfect produce paradise. With the right materials and a bit of effort, you can create a space that keeps your fruits and vegetables fresh for months. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's build this thing. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, this project is perfect for anyone looking to create something truly special. It's time to channel your inner archaeologist and start digging. This is where the magic begins. Digging might seem like hard work, but it's the foundation of your dream project. Aim for a depth of at least 4 feet to maintain a consistent temperature. This depth ensures that your root cellar will stay cool and functional throughout the year. Lay down a gravel base for drainage. This step is crucial to prevent water from accumulating and damaging your cellar. Then build those sturdy concrete block walls. These walls will provide the necessary support and insulation for your cellar. Add support beams to reinforce the structure. These beams will ensure that your cellar remains stable and secure, and top it off with your chosen roofing material. The roof will protect your cellar from the elements and keep it dry. Don't forget the hatch for easy access. This will make it convenient to enter and exit your cellar. Install your ventilation pipes to ensure proper airflow. Build those charming shelves to store your produce and supplies. And add a layer of gravel on the floor. This will help with drainage and keep the floor dry. Use that pressure-treated lumber to frame out your designated cellar space. This will provide a sturdy framework for your project. Keep that cool air in with rigid foam insulation on the walls and ceiling. Insulation is key to maintaining the right temperature. Add a vapor barrier to prevent moisture buildup. This will protect your cellar from dampness and mold. We want the humidity just right, not soaking wet. Proper humidity control is essential for preserving your stored goods. Install your ventilation system to keep the air fresh and prevent any musty odors. Add shelving to maximize your storage space, and voila! Your cellar is almost complete. Your indoor root cellar is ready for action. Remember, safety first. Wear protective gear like gloves and goggles to protect yourself during the construction process, and enlist a friend's help. Having an extra pair of hands can make the work easier and more enjoyable, especially for the heavy lifting. Teamwork makes the dream work, and together you can achieve amazing results.